What's next?
There's a Shroud right next to us.
Zombies pushing us too.
Zombie.
One dead.
Dude,
Another. Right next to you. Kill.
What the fuck?
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Corey the Gardener, and I got for you today a class video. What's going on, fellow gamers? I'm Corey, and today I'm bringing you my scout class that I've been loving in zombies and night mode and just regular battle royale. So if you're someone who's been looking for the perfect thermal assault rifle and is good at giving comms and values sighting the enemy, you're gonna love this class. You're gonna love this video. Check it out.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
You wish.
I'm gonna die. There's a Gabby.
They know we're here now. They called me out.
Oh shit, they know where he is. You're shooting all your bullets at him. What? Oh, goodness.
Down one.
A guy just landed on me.
Alright, we're mid push right now.
They know.
I'm doing the cheeky peekle.
I don't think it up that way though.
He's never seen that cheek peekle before, bro. So now I'm gonna run through a few frequently asked questions and then we'll get back into gameplay. So, why attack laser? Attack laser makes the gun ADS fast, and the Solo Zero night vision scope makes the gun ADS slow. So the two balance each other out. If you're not able to hit anything, you can use a Commando foregrip, but I picked the M13 specifically so you could hit stuff at long ranges, have a stable gun with the attack laser. So what if you don't want the M13? I like the Kilo, and I would run it with the tac laser and the night vision scope, but it's less stable at long range. So for my money, this is the best build. Monolithic Tempest tac laser night vision 60 round mag on an M13. You can do it other ways, but that's trash. This is the good. Unfortunately, it's cheeks at close range. So you're gonna have to use an MP5, which is too bad, because looking at people through that night vision scope makes him really easy to snipe, but that's gonna have to be one of your teammates. So this is the gun to use. You want the tac laser on there. You want the M13, even though it doesn't hit that hard, because that's what makes it stable. All right, guys, what do you do if you don't want to have your visible laser? Well, the only option is the M13 skeleton stock, which is about 15%, 5 million $100 billion percent worse than the tac laser. Just kidding, it's 50% worse because the tac laser is minus 30 ms, whereas the skeleton stock is minus 20 ms. However, it is Halloween. So that's it. What can you use with this? MP5. What other gun? Shotgun. Which shotgun? Any shotgun. It's a shotgun. Use the shotgun if you want. But I like the MP5 because it shoots bullets. So now that we've seen the gun, let's see some gameplay. They're going down the stairs. They're pushing you. Yeah.
Oh, he has a riot shield.
I naded the fuck out of him, bro. I'm going. I don't give a fuck.
Oh! Behind you.
Oh no. One came in through the back. I need you to hold that.
I got two of them down.
I got a zombie on me dead. Hostile dropping in. Murder it. Well, he definitely hears us now. Good kill. One close.
Oh no!
I ran into him.
I'm meleeing. Come get money, friend. Zombie just fell.
No fucking way.
Nading it.
This boy's redeploying.
Oh shit! He's in the bathroom. In the bathroom. Self-messing.
One down.
Stopping.
Do it. Got you, bud. I'm staying in the house. Zombie in the house. Played. Pushing.
Behind me, behind me. Yo, zombie.
We just killed these guys. Come.
Be advised, UAV is being ordered. Enemy soldier incoming. Your teammates are zombies. Help them regain their humanity.
On me, on me! Alright, y'all, so I'm Corey. That's been my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love this class. This is my first gaming YouTube video. So if you like it, hit a thumbs up. And my goal is to get 10 likes this time. So let's see if we can smash that goal. 10 likes. And if you want to see more of this, I've got the complete footage from that gameplay. It's got a lot of funny moments, etc. I'm going to put out in a couple days. And then I'm working on a series that takes historical battles and tries to gain some wisdom for that, for Warzone. So if you like history or comedy or gameplay, or just feel sorry for me, hit the subscribe button and the like button. And thanks so much, guys. I'm Corey, just signing out to the next one. Wait, there's still shit down here. Look.
Contact.
Yes, let's go.
You wanna rush the zombie? He's a melee unit.
Yes, and I'm an absolute unit. What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
Strategy.
God, that's